Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation on the project lifecycle, which outlines the structured path for completing a project successfully from initiation till closure. A project lifecycle is a framework that guides projects from start to finish. By following its phases, we ensure projects are organized, goals are clear, and the outcomes meet stakeholder expectations. The first phase is initiation. Here we set the foundations by asking important questions. It can be like, what are the stakeholders? What are the client goals? What can be the purpose of the project? What are the measurable outcomes, the objectives? We also define timelines, required skills, resources, costs, and expected benefits as well. This step ensures clarity and direction before the work even begins. Next is planning. In this phase, we create a detailed project wherein we plan with milestones, tasks, and deliverables as well. We build a schedule to manage all the resources, budgets, and timelines effectively. Planning helps prevent confusion after or later and provides a roadmap for the team to follow. The execution phase is where the plan comes to life. We monitor the team as they complete tasks, remove any barriers, and ensure schedules, and also see whether the deliverables are met or not. We also identify areas where additional training may be needed and adapt to changes as they may occur. That is what we decide in the ClickUp or Asana, that what is the execution stage of our project. Finally, it is the closing phase where we confirm all outcomes are completed or not and approved by the stakeholder or not. The team is released to support other projects, successes are celebrated, and lessons learned are also documented as well. This ensures continuous improvement for future projects. Each phase to the project lifecycle has its significance. By following it, we capture customer expectations, plan for the success, and also try to execute the task effectively and close the project while learning from our experiences as well. So, this timeline summarizes all four phases, showing the progression from initiation till the planning, execution, and also the closure. Visualizing the phases helps teams stay aligned and understand the overall flow of the project, the where the project is standing and what are the deliverables. Here are a few tips for project success. Firstly, try to clearly define objectives at the start. Second, communicate regularly with the team. Third is that we should monitor closely and try to be adaptive according to the situation. Finally, we have to document our lessons so that we improve our projects in the future. Thank you for your attention. So, following the project lifecycle ensures that the projects are structured, managed efficiently, and delivered successfully. I hope this lecture helps you to understand the steps for effective project management.